Back with us here, ladies and gentlemen. Semifinals game number 2 between UST and Lyceum. UST in cruise control here in set number 1. Some set highlights brought to us by PLDT, My DSL, Mary Jean Balse. Napanggit na ni Ronnie Magsano kanina, the youthful exuberance, and she is showing that right now in set number 1.
If you're behind 0-1, a game away from losing the entire conference, and you're this relaxed, your opponent is in trouble.
Well, let's see if Lyceum can fight back from this 6-point lead. Here's point trip Santrong. Dug up by Michelle Carolino. Tabakero again!
And once again, enjoying every moment. And they are not disrespecting their opponent. They are just enjoying the moment, playing extremely hard, receiving well. At si Santrong talagang lost her step there.
Okay.
Naglalaro kayo, para lang nakita nyo naglaro, basta okay lang eh. Yung bola, hindi wala kayo sa sitwasyon ng bola eh. Ang bola malapit, nagsisilot, nag-overrun. Nakatayo lang kayo, tumatapon ng bola, wala nag-aten. May nag-aten pa, wala. Basahin nyo, basa ng bola, bakit ganyan lang kayo. Bakit kayo natakot tama ng depensa natin, ano dyan, huwag kayo natakot.
Emil Lontok willing his girls to perform here at this point, Coach Ronnie.
It's a big challenge right now for Lyceum is how to match the energy of the Tigers here in the first set and how to get Tip Santrong involved on offense. They have to receive better as UST's defense has also been able to take away their multiple attackers at ito, 10 points pa lamang dito ang Lyceum.
Curato keeps that one alive. Here's Aiza Maizo, and Maizo is unmarked again at the net.
And because UST is not committing a lot of errors sa kanilang floor reception, they are able to initiate their attacks. Di makulangan on the dot. Aiza Maizo once again finishing off the play for the Tigers.
Substitution early here comes Morales in for the first time. This is Katrina Morales.
Tapos na yung isang serye natin. As of course, San Sebastian closing out the series in 5 sets against Ateneo to prosper once again to the finals.
Balse is just being Balse here in set number 1.
Trying to reintroduce herself to Tip Santrong that before she was the reinforcement, it was Mary Jean Balse who was one of the pillars of the V-League, 2-time MVP, trying to contain the 35-point explosion of Tip Santrong.
Well, ito 19-10. Matagal na po hindi nakakaskor ang Lyceum. Tabakero, dug up there by De La Peña. Morales sets up Santrong, dropping it. And finally, Santrong gets involved on offense in an accidental way.
Yes, that was not a power attack. But somehow she gets the 11th point here for the Lady Pirates. Down by 8. 11 serving, 19 here in the first set.
And for itong kuponan ng Lyceum, Carmela Morales with an ace as Curato's reception was not recovered there by Dimaculangan.
This is something that UST cannot fall into. Meron silang ganyang tendency pag nakakalamang, pag gumaganda ang laro, nagre-relax. Something that they cannot afford to do because they are a game behind Lyceum here in this series.
Morales, nice serve there by the young lady. And there will be a net violation against Nika Guliman.
That's a huge break. Nika Guliman, remember, had 6 blocks. UST only had 5 in the entire game, but right now, here in the first set, UST already with 3 blocks compared to Lyceum's only 1.
Ito ngayon si Artates, the captain. Ortiz keeps it alive. Here's Tabakero off the block of Artates.
Tabakero coming out strongly here. That's accounted for about 3 or 4 out of the 21 points para sa Tigers. Ang parte lang hinahanap ko, si Venus Bernal.
Ay, wala. Si Venus Bernal is already full-time sa kanyang bagong trabaho, of course. And Mary Jean Balse, who's still a member of the national team, still very much involved. Great block by Artates.
And eventually, you will have to make your decision as to what path you will choose in your future life.
Parang Jedi.
Hindi naman. Kung tawagin dyan si Yoda.
Yoda, ha?
Yoda says.
Choose your path, you must.
Ganon. Tama.
Ganyan siya.
Tama. Say, I will.
Yeah. Natatawa sa atin si Mosi.
Kasabay ko nga pala munod ang pamilya Ravena.
Oo nga.
Now, here comes the bride.
Yeah.
Panoorin nyo kung kayo
Kayo
may oras
talaga,
para
ha?
kayo masayahan.
Ay, yung misis
Oo.
ko, dun nga eh. Sabi, sige, mag-cover ka ng volleyball. Nood mo na, Here Comes the Bride. Kasama yung mga
Abang-abangan na
amiga.
rin natin yung Kimidora 3.
Yan! Tayo ay mga big fans ni Eugene Domingo, ha?
Support Philippine movies.
That is true. And here is Santrong. Support the Thai import.
Tatlong sunod-sunod na puntos para dito sa Lyceum. As Coach Millet Ponce de Leon napatayo sa unang beses dito for UST. Remember, wala si Coach Shaq.
He's in Iloilo right now.
Iloilo.
Here's Guliman. Curato. Di Makulangan. And that one will drop out. So now Lyceum with 4 consecutive points, Coach Ronnie.
And Guliman punishing the receivers of UST. Should be a routine reception here for the Tigers as they try to adjust sa kanilang floor cover here. 16 against 21. Big comeback by Lyceum.
Another nice serve there from Guliman. Oh, great block there by Santrong.
Defense has stepped up here para sa Lyceum.
Look at this once again. Super Dikit blocked by the Thai import. And Tip Santrong sends UST to its first timeout.
Pag may pumapalo, coverage tayo. Kasi nga sa mga lalaki na rin, di ba? Tara, tuloy natin. Tara na. Let's go, Tigers! Let's go, Tigers natin. Let's go. Ganda ng play. Sana maganda rin. May
Well, an all-star lineup actually para dito sa UST with the guest players Carolino and Balse. But still, they cannot pull away from Lyceum.
Well, they had a big lead, about 9 points.
19-10, no?
9 points a while ago, but Nika Guliman changing the fortunes of the Pirates.
Set up now for Tabaquero off the check ball of Dalia
Yes.
Cruz.
That's a different angle of attack. Hindi pwedeng lahat pababa. That time, just deflecting that shot against the blockers. UST 3 points away.
Valerie Amar will check in. Serve specialist replacing Tabaquero. And the 7th season of the Shakey's V-League is presented by PLDT MyDSL, going beyond broadband. Valamar wearing jersey number 18. Here's Cases setting up Artates. Dug up there by Curato. Carolino off the block of Artates.
2 straight points for the Lady Tigers. 2 points away from nailing the first set. Looking at the laces of Rhea de Maculangan, may fashion statement pa rito. Itong
Lahat
batang
sila, oo. Mga iba-ibang kulay. Tignan natin yan mamaya as we listen to Emil Lontok.
Kapag nag-start ka ng maayos, salubungin mo yung bola, huwag mong lumisin ng paatras. Pag nadaanan ka ng mabilis sa bola, patay ka dyan. Wala tayong marilisip na maganda dyan. Target ka pa, oh. Napakasimple lang naman ang bola. Wala naman karga, may ikot-ikot pa. Ikaw lang naninigas ka lang. Hindi manigas pag nagdidepensa, ha? Okay, team life yan. Alis lang yan.
And yan ang sinasabi ni Coach Ronnie Magsanok, yung mga fashion statement nila sa kanilang mga sintas.
Oo naman.
Si Rhea de Maculangan kulay berde at kulay orange.
Magkaiba eh. Oo,
Yan ang,
orange
yan
and
ang
red.
hindi makadesisyon ng eleksyon.
Orange and green.
Orange and green, hindi makadesisyon.
Dilaw pa yung uniform. Ano?
Dilaw uniform.
Green yung kaliwa,
Oo.
orange yung kanan.
Yun na nga eh.
Butante na ba?
Itim. Pwede. Si Rhea, pwede na yan.
Pwede na.
Oh. Here's Carolino. Oh, wow.
This is a proven winner.
Michelle,
A proven
yes.
winner who has been a part of at least 3 teams. 3 winning teams here in the V-League, and that's why she continues to be at the top of her game, is because she can compete at any level that she gets into.